Jumpy Kids!
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for banana, a yummy treat. C is for cherry, so juicy and red. D is for date, a snack before bed. E is for elderberry, tiny and blue. F is for fig with a soft center too. G is for grapes, purple or green. H is for honeydew, fresh and clean. I is for Indian fig, a cactus surprise. J is for jackfruit, so big in size. K is for kiwi, fuzzy outside. L is for lemon, so sour and wide. M is for mango, a tropical dream. N is for nectarine with a sunny gleam. O is for orange, full of zest. P is for pineapple, one of the best. Q is for quince, golden and tart. R is for raspberry, close to my heart. S is for strawberry with seeds outside. T is for tomato, a fruit we can't hide. U is for ugly fruit, bumpy and sweet. V is for vanilla bean, a tasty treat. W is for watermelon, juicy and bright. X is for extra fruit, what a delight. Y is for yellow plum, sunny and round. Z is for ziziphus, fun to be found. Now we've sung our fruit ABC. Let's eat healthy, yes, you and me.
Jumpy Kids! Tap subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fun moment.